How to fix live option not showing on TikTok. First thing first, you should know that in order to have live feature on TikTok, you must have at least 1000 followers. So if you do not have 1000 followers, then you won't be able to get the live feature on your TikTok account. But if you have enough followers to have live feature, but you're still not having the option, in this case what you need to do is first of all take the screenshot of the page where your live option is not showing up. Once you have taken the screenshot, go back and head over to your profile. Tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. It will land you on this interface. Scroll down and tap on Live. Head over to How to Start a Live. It will lead you to this page. Right here tap on No. Then scroll down and click on Need More Help. Tap on this image icon. Select the screenshot that you have just taken before, and then tap on OK at the top right corner. Once the screenshot has been uploaded, right here you need to enter the issue that you have been facing on TikTok. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written. Once you are done, tap on Submit. There you go, your report has been successfully submitted to the TikTok team. Now after a while, TikTok will definitely come up with some solution for you and you'll be good to go. So that's it for today, and you saw a tutorial video on how to fix live option not showing on TikTok. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for staying with us till the end.